I'm using a 4-inch grinder to sharpen the blades, and once I get them pretty close, then I'll balance the blade, and I'll explain that in a minute. To balance the blade, I'll drive a nail about halfway into this post. Then I'll hang the blade on the nail and see what happens. And that's actually, it's pretty good, so I'm not going to do anything with it. Sometimes you'll see the blade will hang down like this, and in that case you would take more off of this side until the blade is even. The bulk of the work is done with the 4-inch grinder, and then I like to fine tune the blades a little bit with 36 grit paper in the disc sander. And then I'll check them out one more time to make sure they're still balanced. Looks pretty good. So this time, putting the blades back on. All right. So now putting the blades back on, I'll have the blade and then the 4 spacers. So the spacers are between the blade and the spindle at the bottom instead of on the top of the deck. Okay, well now it's time to cut the lawn. I'll see you in the next video.